Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today, we are going to start Chapter 3, that is, More on MS Word. So, let's start. Students, in this lesson, we are going to discuss about how to select text in MS Word. How to select text in MS Word, then how to edit text in MS Word like cut, copy and paste. Next, how to format a text like bold, how to do bold, italic, how we are going to do underline our text, how to change font, how to change the font size, how to change the color, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about how to align a text. How to align a text. That also we are going to discuss in this lesson. Then, how to create lists with bullets and numbers. We can make list with two types, by using bullets and by using numbers also. Then, we are going to differentiate between undo and redo. Then we are going to check spellings, how we are going to check spellings and grammar. That also we will learn in this chapter. To insert table and the shortcut keys also, and printing. All these things we are going to discuss about in this lesson. But in this video we are going to discuss about few things. So let's start. See children, we have learned a lot about word processor in our previous classes. And we know already that MS Word is the most popular word processor. MS Word is the most popular word processor nowadays. And first of all, we are going to learn about MS Word 2007, and before starting this other things, we will recall what we have discussed earlier in our previous classes. So by seeing the pictures which is given below, let us recall what we have learned in the previous classes. See, this is MS Word 2007 window. This is MS Word 2007 window. Now see at the top of the left side, first of all we are having quick access toolbar. Here we are having quick access toolbar. Now at the top we are having title bar where the name of the document is displayed. This is the title bar, the blue color bar, this is the title bar. Then at the right side, at the right corner, we are having the minimize button, maximize button and also the close button. Okay. Then at the left side also we are having an office button also. We are having this button is called office button. In the blank area, this blinking line, this is our cursor. Then at the bottom line, this is the bottom bar, this is called the status bar. This the bottom bar. This bottom bar is known as the status bar. Now come to the right side. This thing here, so many things you can see, the tabs and the groups you can see here. This is called ribbon. This is called ribbon. And the area where you type anything is called document area. Where you type the text, this blank area, this whole blank area is known as document area. So this is our cursor, and where the cursor is placed is on the document area. So we are having Quick Access Toolbar on MS Word 2007 window. I have Quick Access Toolbar, Title Bar, Minimize button, Maximize button, Close button, Ribbon, Document area, Office button, Cursor and Status bar. So this is MS Word 2007 window. Now see, this is our ribbon that I have shown in the previous picture also. This is the ribbon, and the ribbon contains the tabs and groups. See, these are the tabs. The home, insert, page layout, all these are known as tabs, and these tabs are having different groups that are called clipboard group, phone group and paragraph group. They contain commands arranged in different groups. This home tab, generally we are using this home tab, and this home tab is generally used for editing and formatting the text. The things, the bold, italic, underline, all these things you will find in home tab. And in the ribbon, the following are the three groups of this tab. So this is clipboard group, font group and paragraph group. These three groups are of home tab. Okay, now we see how to edit our document. So to add, for editing a document, first of all, make changes. What do you mean by editing a document? So it means when we make changes in our document, that is called editing. When we are going to make changes in our document, that is called editing. So to perform editing, you should select the text first. Obviously, first of all, we have to tell to our computer what we are going to do, and the computer know only the sign language, only the commands which we are giving. So if you want to make any change in our text, so first of all, we have to select the text first. So what to do for selecting the text? You may select a part of the text or the whole text according to your choice. To select a text, you can use both mouse and keyboard. For selecting any text, whatever you have written, that is the text, and you can select the text according to your choice. If you want to select a word only, then you select the word, and if you want to select the whole text, you can select the whole text also. So, and the selecting can be done either by using mouse also and by using the keyboard also. So selecting text by using mouse. Just see how we are going to select our text by using the mouse. So first of all, to select a single word, double click the word. If you want to select a single word, you just double click the word. Then to select the sentence or paragraph, if you want to select the whole sentence or the paragraph, what you have to do is place the mouse pointer before the first letter. See, this is the text written here. You just place your cursor on the first letter and then place the mouse pointer before the first letter and drag the mouse by holding down the left mouse button over the required text. You just drag the mouse by holding down the left mouse button over the required text. Then your text will be selected by using the mouse. Now how to select our text by using keyboard. We have seen how to select our text by using mouse. Now we will see how to select our text by using keyboard. So for that, place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence or word. After that, you just hold the shift key. This is the shift key. You just hold this shift key after placing your cursor on the first letter or the word and press the right arrow key. This is the right arrow key. You just press this right arrow key till the desired portion of the text is selected. And this is the quick step. To select the all text, just press Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A. You just hold these two keys, the whole text will be selected. Okay, we have seen how to select our text by using mouse and keyboard. Now we are going to see how to copy and move our text. So whenever you want, you have to write a word or sentence repeatedly, you need not to type it again and again. In MS Word, you can even shift the word or sentence from one place to another. For this, you have to use the clipboard group. To do this, you have to go to which group? The clipboard group, and which is placed in the Home tab. When you click on the Home tab, you will get the clipboard group there for copying or moving text from one location to another. Okay, for copying a text, word or sentence, you can use copy and paste command. You can use copy and paste command. Now here are some steps are given how to copy a text. So first step is select the text you want to copy. Obviously, first of all, you have to select. If you want to select this text, copy this text, you just select it. Step 2 is click the Home tab. The Home tab is here. You just click over here. The third step is then you click copy from the clipboard group. After clicking on the Home tab, you just click on the copy from the clipboard group. Here you will find the clipboard group, and from there you just click on the copy option. Next step is fourth, move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. Now if you want to paste your text here, just move your cursor at the new place, and then your next step is click paste from the clipboard group. You just click on the paste option from the clipboard group. Your text is copied to a new place also. Now you can see for it was written here, I love my India. When you copy it to the new place also, then 2 times it will be written like I love my India and I love my India 2 times. You can see, and you can paste number of times the same thing. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much.